So right now there's been a lot of delays.
Yeah.
And what do you think is gonna happen next? Are we prepared?
I think prep-wise, we're somewhat prepared. I definitely was not prepared. I was definitely blindsided. Fuck,
Yeah.
my phone's already almost dying.
Fuck.
So
Oh my god.
It's at 50%
Yeah.
already, so that's not a good thing.
You think Sean's light's gonna carry, or Jake's light's gonna carry?
No, my light's gonna carry, buddy.
We're gonna get the last bike. We're gonna meet up with Sean. This is rider number 2. This is blue. This is Blue Devil.
The blue devil.
This is blue. He's wearing all blue.
And the bike's blue.
Yeah, and he's gonna have a mask on later, so it's gonna look scary.
Which one do you want?
Oh, nice. Right on.
Yeah, that's a good spot. That is a good spot.
My light is just ran out. I'll see you at the Labor Day picnic down at the Bayfront when we march and then the Ticats. I can't shoot bubbles all over the place. I get in trouble all the time. Go, Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go, go. Hey, we had a standoff here the other day. On Ontario Street in Stinson. A standoff, barricaded. Then we had a shooting downtown. Toronto just had 26 shots, and some people ended up in the hospital. Festival of France, the new stage had no lights. Couldn't even piss in a toilet.
Go to that one.
And security at the festival, they weren't real security guards, but I used to be right there. I put a spotlight on me.
How do you guys take that update?
Why is he
Yeah,
on
how
my
you can-
flashlight?
No, you need that. How you gonna get it off?
That one's mine though.
Just rip it off.
That's the one I bought.
But that one's better.
Make a good speed, yo. We need upton momentum. Yeah, it's good speed. Oh my god. Yo, I got him on camera. Yo, I'm telling you, we gotta have a faster speed, bro.
Yeah, they're gonna harpoon us.
It's an expedition. 45 seconds. Oh shit, I fucked with that. We made it, guys. It's quality, eh? Let me get some water.
So far, we made it to our first stop. We've seen 2 rando hobos. It's kind of messed up, but you know, it's Hamilton for you. There's like a hobo village here now. I'm ready to take another like 5 minutes for the smoke break, and then.
I bet you those, like, if anything, they were scared of us. We had masks on,
And we all
and
have
we look like we're geared up. So, Rix, what's the what do you think is gonna happen to the next one?
We're about to stop around like the Lime Ridge Road area, just underneath the bridge, right, Dan?
Yeah,
Yeah. So whoever gets there first got to stop.
yeah.
And
So you haven't really ridden a bike in a while. What do you think? First expedition, buddy.
It's fun.
Yo, can we get nicknames?
oh no, this is white. So
White Thunder. Fuck it. We got TQ. Ashley, what's yours?
I thought you were Blue Devil.
Yeah, you're Blue Devil, Jake.
Oh, fuck, alright.
And you're wearing a
Blue Devil. Sean, what about you?
trailhead.
Trailhead, Ashley, Beta? Okay, done. Jake just demolished his 5th water.
Can you pull the water out for me?
Oh, another one, the one that's opened. Sean's giving out water.
Dan, turn your light off.
You gotta put it in.
Ashley's complaining.
Yeah.
I have
About
one.
your
Yeah.
light.
What do you mean?
Turn it off. It's bright. It's shining in my eyes.
Turn up, it's right.
People, right side.
Yo guys, yeah, be careful. At all. Let's go up there.
Did your light turn on without the battery?
Yeah, because like people died here.
So it's not obvious.
Like let's look down there.
Wow, they really ruined their childhood. Yeah, we have to go farther in, and this is the only way down. Unless you guys,
They'll see us, yo. They're gonna report us.
I know. Like that car right there is already sketching me out. They pulled in and it's not pulling out. It's a random van. That random van just pulled out. Yeah, but
Our childhood is ruined, Sean says.
Mountain?
Yeah,
And then we go through
eventually.
the city?
Somewhere.
How much did you pay for it?
grab a handful.
Yeah, what are you feeling, buddy? Because, like, first of all, it's dark, it's night, and we've never been here. We don't even know.
With this crew here, I'm confident in our ability
Nice.
to get down this hill.
Mhm.
I think we can definitely pace ourselves down. Jake
Yeah.
seems like he's ready. The Blue Devil. We have a lot of flashlights, so don't worry about that, Jake. We got the perimeter secured with lights. The one thing that's tripping us out is just the random cars and shit, but
Yeah,
we'll be alright. We're just gonna try to find a spot, light up the fire, get these Mr. Noodles going, and the hot dogs.
hot dogs will be good. Hey, Jake, how you feeling, buddy?
I'm gonna light.
What?
These are my lights, man.
Okay, fuck, he has no light right now. Yeah, what happened? What do you mean? Trailhead's getting ready. This is it, Ricks. We'll be okay, don't worry. Oh, obstacle, let's go. Break.
Sure this is the trail? I feel like this look at that. Yeah, this
Watch out, Ashley. I'm actually riding. Mountain biking riding. Let's go, buddy. To the left? Yeah, exactly. Okay, this is it. Oh wait, we could turn right there, or we could go down more. Yo, you hear that? Wait, you hear that? Guys, lights on. Guys, lights on. Secure perimeter.
is a pretty good spot.
Right here, right there. That's a good spot.
Right by the water, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's actually gone. Go. I need momentum. Watch out. Yeah. It's full of rocks. Off course duty. It's fogged right now. I don't know what the fuck is it. Okay, so we're making fire right here, guys, on this stone, so it doesn't like spread if we leave. My branches are like perfect. They're like so dry. Like whatever. Ooh. What? Nothing. I just heard some shit, man. What? We need like real wood, yo.
Oh, look at this, man.
Oh, it's a steep one, eh? I don't want to keep going up.
Yeah, here, give me yours.
Ooh. Yeah.
Yeah, we're good.
Take the little ones.
Yeah, and then these go second.
Where are you making fire?
This is the flex right now, eh, Rix?
It's a straight flex.
This is straight flexing right now. We got the
We got-
squad.
This is clout, yo, clout.
Oh, I'll guinea pig it, boys. Don't worry.
Let us know, Jake. We never mixed these two spices before.
It's rare.
Come on, not that much.
Yes, Jake, get in there, buddy.
Get
It's
in
gonna
there.
be
Get in
hot,
I
man.
have a spoon. We can spaghetti
Yeah,
it.
spaghetti that shit.
What do you mean?
You don't know how spaghetti it?
No, I don't even.
You gotta use the spoon like a plate.
Yeah.
No,
So we're a
put
little
the fire
around
back
the
then.
Yeah. Hold on, Jake. I have
And
to.
then use the
I have to
spoon.
refire you.
Yeah, that's a good mix. That's a good mix.
It's a good mix, Jake.
Yeah, we're
It's
good.
good shit, buddy. We're gonna eat right now. We'll be back.
That's a really good mix, actually.